Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain you how we can do the alphanumeric check in Cobol using inspect. The logic that I am going to describe you is very generic and you can use the same logic for other type of validation as well. Before moving ahead, you should know the difference between replacing and converting under inspect. If you use replacing with the inspect keyword, it means it replaces a character or group of characters. For example, if WS-STR is having this particular values and if you use inspect WS-STR replacing all ABY12, then this will replace all the occurrence of ABY12. Please note that this will not replace the individual character but it will replace this group of character AB by 12. So here the output would be 1 2 CD 1 2 C. Here you have noticed A is not replaced with 1. It has been left as it is. Similar with the B. However, if you use converting, then it will do 1 to 1 mapping. It will convert a sequence of a string to another sequence of string, that is 1 to 1 mapping. So A will be replaced by 1 and B will be replaced by 2. So here the output would be 1 2 CD 1 2 C. A will be replaced by 1 and B will be replaced by 2. Let's jump to the code. Here I have declared two variables. The first variable, that is WS-STR, is the main string variable that I am going to check for the alphanumeric validation. The second variable WSAN, this contains all the set of values which need to be checked in the main string. If you have noticed, this contains all the alphanumeric values, that is capital A to Z, small a to Z, and 0 to 9. Under procedural division, I am using inspect WS-STR converting WSAN to spaces. So what it is doing, I am inspecting WS-STR and converting all the occurrence of the values which is inside WSAN, that is alphanumeric values, to spaces. So what it will do? It will match whether this A under WSSTR is present in WSAN. Yes. Then it will be replaced by spaces. Similar, M is present. Yes. Then M will be replaced by spaces. So all these values A, M, AR 1, 2, 3 will be replaced by spaces because all these values are present inside WSAN. Then we are checking if WSSTR equal to spaces, then display alphanumeric, else display not alphanumeric. Let's move to the code. Here the same thing I have declared, and if you run this, then this is saying valid. If you change something inside this, suppose this one, this is not alphanumeric. If you run this, then this will say invalid at the rate. If you see here, everything has been replaced by spaces except at the rate, because at the rate is not found in WSAN. That's why here you can see invalid at the rate, right? And as I mentioned in the beginning, that this is very generic logic. For example, if you want to include some character also in the validation, then you can do the same stuff. For example, here if I do like this, then now whether at the rate is found in this set, character set, yes, it is found, then at the rate will be replaced by the spaces. Similarly, if hash is found in this character set, yes, then it will also be replaced by spaces. So if you run this code, then this will say it's a valid. So whatever you want to do a validation, you can use the same logic to validate your string. This is very important if you want to do some Swift character validation. You can include all the Swift characters over here and then you can use this logic for the validation. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you so much for your time.